Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sriniket Sudhindra and today I am going to unbox the MI power bank. So it's a 20,000 mAh power bank guys. Let's see what's inside. So this is the power bank guys. So it has two USB output ports and one Type C input port and one micro USB input port. So and then they are given a charging. So they are given a micro USB charging cable with it. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share.